Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about the brutal truth of Ethereum, the reality that no one even is talking about, man. The things you need to know as a crypto trader and investor about what Ethereum just did, this month, all that. Sir, make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel because this channel will keep you level-headed and will save you a lot of bollocks, disappointment and hopium, and it will save your life pretty much. This is Ethereum chart. Okay, this is Ethereum chart. This chart, all right, it broke this uptrend. Okay, this was an uptrend here from March 2020 because it was holding support here, in 2022, 2023 before the fake bull run, and now it broke down. Okay, broke down, making an M-shaped formation here. You can see the McDonald's logo right here. All right, this to me triggered the Ethereum bear market for 2025. That's how it looked like to me. As long as it's below this trend line, and as long as it's below this green line here, you can see this is the green line here. This green line is the 200-week moving average. Okay, when an asset is breaking below its 200-week moving averages. What is the 200-week moving average? It's the average price of Ethereum for the last 200 weeks. That means 5 years. 5 years, the average price of Ethereum is 2,500. And now in a bull market, Ethereum, quote, quote, Ethereum is below its average price of the last 5 years. That's a disgusting performance, sir. And you gotta be realistic. You gotta be accountable, man. That's why you subscribe to this channel, because you have out there so many fluff and content creators and rubbish YouTubers that will tell you the exact opposite of the reality. They will tell you it is bullish. They will tell you it is going to go up. Everything is going to be okay. We are here to tell you that it's not bullish. We are here to tell you it's not going to be okay. We are here to tell you, sir, there is a risk of a mega bear market for Ethereum, and I will show you what I mean, okay? Look, that's the most scary thing about Ethereum. It lost the 200-week MA, man. Man, bad stuff happening under the 200-day MA. So imagine what will happen under the 200-week. Now, again, and it also will slope down soon. And I'm gonna keep you posted once you're gonna get a death cross on the weekly moving averages. That's gonna be brutal. Okay. Now, again, I'll show you the momentum indicator as well, but I want to show you, look, what no one is talking about. No one is talking about, in the crypto babies and the lady boys, they never even look at the bearish case because they don't have even a bearish scenarios in their mind, man. Look, Ethereum 2016, okay, it was launched under $1, man. It went all the way to 4,000, all right? This, in my opinion, that was the bull market for Ethereum, okay? Right here, all the way here, let's remove the moving averages. You can see, till the 2021 top, that was the Ethereum bull market. You had a complete Elliott wave cycle here. You had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So that was your first leg, then the second, third, fourth, and 5. That to me looks like the mega cycle, bull cycle of Ethereum. Remember, Ethereum went from under $1 all the way to $5,000, man. Almost $5,000. And what is Ethereum, man? It's a crypto, man. It's a crypto. Now, again, remember, everything that goes up parabolic will come back crashing down parabolic at some point. Now, I think Ethereum is already in a bear market since 2022. It just had a little relief rally here. So if you follow charts, Elliott waves, the way market moves, in my opinion, this is just speculation, okay? But this is the theory, right? So you had the first leg of the bear in 2022, okay, for Ethereum. That was your A leg. Then we had the fake baloney, man, bull run in 2023, okay, all the way to the last double top we had here. You see the double top here? That was your B leg, and it actually failed to take that high. Remember, it failed to take that high. And now I believe it broke down into the C leg. In the C leg, man, I don't care about price predictions or stuff, but I'm telling you, there is a risk it's gonna take the lows here of the 1,000 and go way lower to test the lows of the 20 20 cycles for Ethereum, because remember, it is overblown, overextended, over exuberant fluff, man. It is fluff, okay? Fluff, and you have inside of it 250 billion, man. Think about it. People gonna take their profits, people gonna take them, they're gonna sell Ethereum. It's now in a bear market, and they're gonna sell it. And it just started the bear market now. It just triggered it. If Bitcoin will join a bear market, let's say later the year, whatever, or now, or a couple of months time, Ethereum is toast, man. Toast, roasted, man. Roasted. And look, in what will happen here, if it's gonna come down, let's say, to test the lows at some point, you're gonna have a top here, a serious top, okay? You're gonna have a serious top. Just try to imagine it with me, sir. By the way, smash the like, all right? So you can see that may be a top like this, and then you're gonna have the trend line support here around the 1,000. You lose the 1,000, you have a risk of coming back down all the way down here, okay? Really, there is a risk. People need to understand the risks, man. When you trade, you gotta have the risk management, man. I have in my channel, man, and obviously in my community, man, I have people, that are 40, 50, 60, 80, 70-year-old men, men with families, that invest in big money of their lives into cryptocurrency, crypto trading to make money, profit. You must have a strategy and a risk management plan, man, and an edge and a way to navigate the market and to trade the market. You cannot just ape into meme coins, when Ethereum is looking like that. Or you gotta have this analysis on Ethereum when you trade in altcoins, because Ethereum is the daddy for the altcoins. If Ethereum is going down, very likely altcoins will go down with it. All right. Now, all right, let's look on the momentum as well. I'll show you the momentum chart. By the way, sir, smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Okay, I like to use the stochastic RSI on the momentum on the monthly. Look at that, sir. Look at that. That was your double top here. See here, that was the double top. And that was your lower high on the momentum, okay? That's bearish divergence. Bam, bam, bam. That's very bad. That's very bad momentum here. And also, I'll show you the bigger picture. Let's see if we got to cross down on the 3 months, or let's do 2 months. You can see the 2 months just crossed here. That's very bad. And let's look on the 3 months. I'm looking major picture here, because just to show you the big picture of the coin, that there is a risk of major bear market when these big picture signals, flash. You can see the 3 months just crossed down here. Man, there is there is nothing here, man. Nothing, man. It can collapse. It can collapse, man. Ethereum can collapse here. Really. That's Ethereum, man. I'll show you the daily chart as well. Let's look on the moving averages. You can see I just had a death cross. Remember, death cross happen when the coin is moving into a bear market, okay? If the coin is below its 50-day MA and 200-day MA, it's moving in a bear market. Now remember, crypto is an opportunity for you to make money. If Ethereum is in a bear market, and if altcoins are in a bear market, man, look for shorts. Now that Bitcoin pulled back a little bit, altcoins are getting wrecked, okay? So remember, every time Bitcoin will pull back or chop sideways, very likely altcoins are gonna get wrecked. You want to capitalize on this opportunity. You want to short them. Sir, short crypto when Ethereum is going down. And obviously short Ethereum as well. Short Ethereum, you can see Ethereum is now testing the lows here. There is a possibility of a bear flag. You can see this is Ethereum. The last couple of days, you can see how it made a bear flag here. See, that was the flag. There is a risk now that this is a bear flag and it's going to go down, man. It's going to go down to the 1.4 or whatever. All right, so you can short it. You just short it. You take no leverage. Start playing with shorts. Watch some tutorials on YouTube on how to short. I recommend you, man, join my community as a VIP or for lifetime or for 4 months. Get all the content. Get access to all our school, all our education, all our trade alerts, man. Really, this is the best thing to do. We have members, man, that joined the lifetime a couple of months ago. They're members for life, man. They made the investment super cheap. You can pay with crypto. And now they're shorting, man. They're shorting the markets, man. They've been hodlers 4 months ago. They got wrecked completely. Now they're shorting the market. They make money even the market going down. It. That's completely going to change your life. And again, we are traders. We want to make money whether the markets go up or down, okay? We want to make money. And again, you don't want to hold altcoins when Ethereum is going down. Really, that's a lot of risk. Really, try to avoid watching all the moon boys from YouTube. They don't have any idea what they're talking about. They're always bullish, man. Cut down the noise. Really, if you're down 50, 80, 70, 90% of your portfolio, man, you're doing something wrong, man. You're doing something wrong. You're losing money. You're losing all your hard-earned money. And there is a chance they're not going to bounce back up. So you need to come up with a plan. You need to come up with a strategy. You need to change it or quit crypto because you're on the way to total loss, man. You're on the way. If you're down 90%, your trend is total loss, man. Really. Be accountable. Make a change. Read a book. Join a service that teach you everything you need to know. You can join us. We have a limited offer for March, 20%, man. You can pay with card. If you want to pay with crypto, you can email me. You have everything, all the information in the description below the video, man. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. And remember, no edge, no trade.